Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2024, 5th of March, and good morning everybody. Dobra jutro, Caro. Alright, thank you so much for coming back here. Yeah, I'm back here. Thank you so much. Hi JJ, nice to see you. Alright, thank you so much and for coming back here. Hey, I just woke up actually. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Eric. Okay, thank you so much. Wow. Okay, the weather is so good to have to sleep until now. Okay, yep. Namaste, Wasim. Nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming in. Right, and well, let's take a look at our MT4. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Right. So yesterday the pound actually boom up and it actually have a nice one and slowly coming back. Well, will the pound to reclaim back or will it actually continue to sell further down to take this area yesterday low as well over at this point? Okay. Yeah, and let's see because now it's also nice. It's so nice, I would say. Okay, Eric. All right, let's take a look. Over here, from the selling off here, every candle is all filled. Wow, filled for the sellers. Okay, so yep, nice. And Bitcoin, quickly, let's take a look. We have reaches the high here. All right, at about 68, right? Okay. So I can't see. 68,835. Okay, so around there, 68,8. Yesterday I was thinking if it hits 75, okay, I will stop all my live streaming. I will disappear. I will sell off all my Bitcoin. I will disappear. Okay. 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 It was in my dream. Okay, anyway. Well, 100K as projected, I think last 2 years, from who? I can't remember. Routers? Then anyway, okay, anyway, 100K is still possible. Okay, so my 55K done. All right. So over here, the 50K, 55K has done. it's a good news to shoot for 68K, huh? All right. Yes. Hi, Hubert. Nice to see you here. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Very happy, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, like I think it's good that to see things like this to happen. Okay. We've been waiting for so long since Caro and me were crazily chatting about 15K, 8K. Okay, so happy about that. Yeah, okay, let's talk about it later on. Okay, how about the goal? Yeah, the goal went crazily. Well, I think this is really crazy. We are trying to meet 2144. Am I right? Okay, 2145. So the goal has is crazily just waiting for buy and buy and buy and buy, right? Okay, so I guess it's still pretty good, but we are still waiting for the historical, not historical anyway, a move from this, from the Gangsa, okay, Israel war, okay, 1834. Right. So of course, this is a bit, now looks like it's a bit impossible, but nothing is impossible. All right. Let's see what is going on. Okay, looks like the goal escalating this way. It shows about the world economy. Okay, I read it up this morning. Okay, before I sleep. This morning before I sleep. I was also contemplating to message you to say good night, Caro. That was about 11 plus. Okay. So I was thinking 11 plus. I think you should have already sleep or maybe not yet. UK, London hour 11 plus. Okay. So yeah, anyway. Okay, I don't want to disturb the rest in Discord, so I will, yeah. Okay, I will. Okay, anyway, so by looking in this, okay, let's take a look. Where's my chat? My chat is still okay. H1 on go, no bottom wick. Okay, let's take a look. Well, I think pretty good over here as I see, well, taken out this area, then we shift a bit. Yeah, I guess 2110. Okay. I think 2110. Yeah. We have no wicks here. 2110. Alright. 2110 over here. Okay. 2110. Maybe the price that they may be looking up to be taken. Yeah. Yes. Probably. Okay. So we are still high up there. Right. And let's see if there's any others taken. 2021. Okay, let's not touch this because these are the areas, right? Okay. Okay, so these are the areas. Okay, so let's look at these two areas first. So focus on the H1 selling to create the wick. Am I right? Okay, so 2021 will be selling off. Well, it looks like over here. Let me see. My price here will be 2019. 2019. 2018-44 is coming soon. 2018-44 coming soon. Yeah. All right. Sawadee krap, Suki. Sawadee krap. Oh, yeah. Right. And let me send it in first. Okay. Right. Yeah. 2018. Right. Okay. 2018. 44. What do you think, Carol? Okay. Hey, bro. Can see your GU. Haha. Okay. Take a look at GU. Yeah. GU. Right. GU. Okay. Pound dollar be looking into over here. Yesterday, I think we are still struggling at the price of 126,709. Am I right? Is it 126,709? I think no. No. Let me 126,709. Sabrina, yes. Hi, Sabrina. Nice to see you. For this, this will be the price here. We have one level here. I'm still waiting for 126,652. 652. 652, am I right? Am I right? 652. Yep. Okay. 652, yes. Okay. But my final target will be 126,457. Oops, I'm sorry. Sorry for stirring my coffee in front of the mic. Okay. Right. And over at this point here, first of all, we have prices to be taken to take note at 126,652. 126,652. Very potential for selling for the pound dollar, as I see it's all very nicely filled. Okay, and except for 126,870. 872. 126,872. Okay, 126,872. Yeah, this is the price that probably may want to take note. Okay, may need to take note. Okay, let me see. I'm sorry. Okay, over here. Okay, so yep, and let's see over at this point here. Well, 126,815 is one. Okay, yeah. Right. Hi, Alan. Nice to see you. Hi, Iberi. Nice to see you. By the way, I saw your account is in the queue. Okay, give me some time. My guys are set. My guys are doing are processing for you. It's in the queue. Okay. Thank you very much for your patience. Okay, so just hang on for a while. Right. Okay, so come back here on the pound dollar. I think we have a nicely done. Okay, nicely done over at this point here. And but the thing is that there's still some areas here to be tested. Okay, for the pound dollar, so that it can go for some selling. All right, then M15. Let's take a look. Yeah. Looks good. I'm looking up for the past 15 minutes because M15 is going to open. M30. M30, we still have a lot to take down here at 126,652. Sorry, let me see. Bit here. One, yeah, correct. Okay. Yes, correct. Hey, sorry, let me off my mic and position my mic. Okay, yeah. Right. I hope it sound better. Okay. H1 come to this 126,700. All right. Okay. Sabrina was saying that will it be only a pullback for the H4? Can you take a look? Okay. Yes. All right. Hi, Jack. Good morning and good afternoon. Okay. So, yes. By looking at it for the H4, should be looking out for this area of 126,652. I'm looking into this area here. Okay, so at the moment there may be some pullback to look out for resistance to achieve 126,652. Right, then probably will it actually take down the lows today, yesterday? Then probably we need a resistance. Right, we need a resistance. Yes. All in all, I think probably we need to I think these 4 hours, this H4 is still good, but the next H4 may not be that good. Okay. I mean may not be that good. It means that because I'm a seller, so the next H4 it may start the buying again. All right. Let's see. I find that the price is still there, 126,872. Okay, it's still there. If 126.815 can hold as a resistance, I will still see some selling to take down all this area first. They are still looking for 126.652. 126.652. Okay. Yep. 126.652. Yes. Correct, Sabrina. Okay. I'm going to apply cowboy style now. Okay. So I shall wait for 126.872 and then my target will be 126.652. Well, okay, in a way, right? So let's see if that can achieve. Selling may be coming in first, probably if 126.815 able to hold. Yeah. Yes. Right. Okay, okay, good. Yep, can, no problem. All right, so let's see. With the plans from yesterday remains unchanged. Okay, so right now by looking into the pound dollar, okay, if you're asking me, am I going for a selling now? I would say hang on first because London has just opened. Okay, London has just opened. All right. Yep. Okay, so over at this side here, yeah, I saw a lot of discussion here, talking about there are a lot of supports along the way here, right? But actually, when we look out for the area here, a bigger time frame is actually a very clean traffic over at this point, which is good. Okay, which is good for some selling still, right? From the area here to here, and probably we may be looking out into this area. Okay, about 126.737 over here. Once it can pass through, we will be looking out for 126.652 around there. All right, 652. Yeah. Yes, because over at this side here, looking at this area, we are trying to pass through. We are trying to pass through this important area here. Okay, some areas here. Yeah, looks like it should be able to take this area. Okay. Yep. Hi Yue Ting, nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming in. Yep. And yes. Well, hang on first. I think there if it from yesterday, the high here, after that, all these selling are very good selling here until it comes to a point where yesterday it comes to this area. See, is again is the area that the range is coming in. Then this area here, it retested and then start to swing back again. Looks like this area is going to be tested again. All right. Well, then from here, then we need to pay attention to this. Okay. Yeah. Well, but this area, okay, is the toddler style again. Okay, it's a toddler style again, huh? All right. Yeah, so let's see, and let's see if today they are after this area of retesting, and they actually comes back here, retest back, and then creating the selling off. Will it actually come back for another round of selling to take the liquidity down there, which I see still quite a bit to go. I see 35 pips, about 35 pips. Huh? All right. But have to wait for a little while, okay, because now the market is going into active session, so maybe we need to wait for a little while to see if we are able to take down all this, okay, all this. All right. Yes. Okay, I saw it. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah. Right. And yes. Hi, Christopher. Hi, Christopher. Nice to see you here. Okay, so we are still waiting. Okay, we are still waiting. All right, so let's see. Okay. All right, and over at this point here, your Christopher. Okay, Christopher, yes. Your Hong Kong team went crazy yesterday. Okay. Really? Okay, I think that's good. All right. Right, so yep, and let's hang on for a little while. I'm waiting for M30 to open because the M15 has opened, and you see 15 minutes just now open. I'm waiting for M15 to close as a resistance, okay, to see if they are actually going to break this area here. Then M30, I'm waiting for it to break out of this okay. You call this what? Dragonfly? Whatever you call. Okay, anyway. Okay, so I want to get out of this area. I want to get out of this area first. Okay. So make sure this area is, I want to get out of this area down, then selling will be highly possible to break this area, to come to this area, then we're going down to take the lows. Okay, so yeah. So let's wait for a little while. This is not the right time yet. Okay. I mean, I am speaking out my thoughts, that's all. Okay. I'm not telling you what to do. Okay. Yeah. Okay. How I wish you would always tell me what to do. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, so while waiting, we have about 6 minutes to go. Okay. Shall we do some jumping jack? Caro, let's do some jumping jack together. Right, and well, okay, let's see how this close. M5 open and close this way. I think that should be quite not there yet. Okay. All right. Yeah, jumping jacks, huh? Okay. Okay, so yep. Sitting down doing it, huh? Okay. Showtime, bro. Really? I do it in front of you when I see you in person, okay? Okay, so yep, and let's see. Seems like we are still. I'm still waiting. Another 5 minutes to go. All right, another 5 minutes to go. Okay, guys. All right. Right. Okay. Next station. We are all prepared. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay, okay guys, yeah, I'm going to start my flying trip again. Alright, so I will let you know when the date gets near. Alright, so let you know when I will be flying off again. So I won't be having my live streaming. Alright. Unless situation allows, then I will have my live streaming together. Okay. Right. But I don't think the effect will be good, huh? I mean the sound effect or whatever. Maybe unless I have a few mics on me, huh? Okay. I'll be going for on-site seminars. Okay. On-site trading. Okay, with some traders out there. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So I'll let you know, guys, okay, when the date gets near. Okay, when the dates draw near. Alright. Right, so hang on a little while. I think what do you think about 126,666,666,666 over 126,666,666 here over here? Well, it's possible. It's possible, right? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Oh man, we're gonna miss you too. Thank you so much. I will miss you too. Okay, so over at this point here, all right. But nevertheless, when I go live, usually when I go out for my seminars, I will still, if I have a live broadcast, it will still on my Facebook page. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so probably by then it's on the Facebook page, not on YouTube. We are still trying to work it out how to go for the YouTube so that it can be very clear. Okay, if not, sometimes it's not clear there. All right. Okay, so we have another 2 minutes to go. All right. How about the goal? Has it come back here? Oops, no, not yet. It's breaking out of what my target is 21.18. So that means more to go, more to wait, a longer time. Okay. Right. Okay. So take note of the pound. I think pound dollar, it may be looking for the support over only onto this side only. So please be careful. All right. Okay. Did you put in a sell for pound dollar for Sabrina? Not yet. Okay. Good. All right. So hang on first. Hang on first. All right. If I were to sell, I will be, if there's a selling opportunity, I'll be looking out into 126.87.2 or 87.1, somewhere there. Okay. Yep. Right. So over at this side here, okay. Right. Okay, M30 has opened. Let's see. We are, holy man. Okay. A little bit to go. Still a little bit to go. So okay, a little bit to go. Okay, let's see if this is going to take. I think likely it's going to break off. Okay, we'll go for some selling still. I think I think it will still go for some selling for these 5-10 minutes. Right. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. So I think it's pretty good here with this M30 opening. Let's wait for a while. Okay. Okay. Right. Hang on. It looks like this is where it's going to take only. Let's see how this M5 is going to close. Nicely on the dot. Nicely on the dot. Nicely on the dot. Yeah. Okay. It's on nicely on the dot only. Yep. Yes, Christopher. Yep. What is that? Is this the area that you was referring that it will set up the support? This area may come along with the support, is true. Yep. If this is not going to break out of this area here because of I'm looking into M30 here. Okay. I want to break off from this area. Okay, this area. I want to break out of this area downwards. Okay, I want to break out of this area downwards. Yeah. Right. And it has to break out of this area. I want it to break out of this area. Yep. This area is because you see this candle here. Okay. This candle here. Alright. Because of this candle here, I'll see there's some consolidation of buyers here that may be coming in here. I want the selling to take them out. Okay, I want to see them take this out. Okay, if not, then I think it's kind of okay, yeah, that's why I want to see it taking this out first. Okay, right, yeah. Okay, so this is the area. All right, so basing on this, okay, then so let's hang on for a while and see if this is going to take. If this is going to close this way, then it's not as good because it looks like it's going to build more on the buying side. All right. Okay. Oh, Redley TP, congratulations. GUTP TFTS. Toddler Forex trading style strategy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay. And nice. Okay. I think this is only 5 pips, right? I don't know where you enter. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and let's see. We will see how this will go. Right, hang on first. Yes, Christopher. Yep. So that candle really take the effects, and I can see the effects there. So, yeah. Correct. That's right. Okay, so maybe the next 30 minutes it may be struggling in around this area. Okay, maybe struggling around this area here. Okay, so not surprised to see that it will in the next 30 minutes it may struggle around this area. Right, but the probability, the chances is to break out of this area may be higher. Okay, unless it can take out this low here, which is about 126,707. Okay, yeah, 126,707. Right, so yep. Okay. Okay, so let's see how it goes first. If not, no selling for now. Okay, that's you see, that's one point to take note. Okay, as we can see, the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, break of structure, lower high, lower low, break of structure, lower high, lower low, correct? Then where's next? At the moment, okay, we are still on the selling structure from this area. Okay, from this area here, okay, as we can see from here, all right, the higher low created, correct? Then until this point here, a lower low, okay, and there's a point of higher high here from this area until this higher low, okay, and from this I'm talking about this, okay, from here, Okay, from here, this is a lower low. All right. If you're asking me, I'm answering your question. From this, if you're talking about this, okay. So basing on the move here, this is the higher high. Okay, then taking out this as a break of structure, it went lower low, correct? Then after with the lower low, it created a lower highs here, correct? All right. Then with this is a structure here, there's a break of structure over at this point here until now. Okay, so waiting for the lower low and creating a higher low. Then we'll see if there's another break of structure. Then probably the selling, that is where the selling may actually comes in. If you're looking into this POS, okay, lower high and higher high. Okay, yeah, all right, okay, yes. Okay, so let's come back here. All right. Okay, so yes, a quick scalp of 5. Okay, that's good. Nice. Okay. Yeah, and let's see if this area here, we are going to take anything here. Right. So we will this be the area that for the whole of general trend in this H4, you can see to create this move to create the higher low. Okay, this area, yeah, I think we are almost there, but still not there yet. I will say it's coming to the range to creating a higher low. Let's see if that is going to break out. Okay, to break off from creating a higher low. Okay, then we will have a good chance for the selling. Right? Yeah. Okay. So at the moment right now, okay, we are still from the higher high here, taking out and still looking for the lower low was here. The lower low is here and higher low is here, correct? So the higher high is here as a structure here, you can see, right? Then still waiting for the break of the structure. Yeah, still waiting for the break of structure over here. Yeah. Okay, so not yet. Yeah. So hang on first. If you're asking me about this, okay, so tentatively be looking into this way. I'm using this way to look at it to answer your questions. Okay. Yep. And then let's see. Come back here. All right. M5. Right. So at this time here, okay. So you are still looking into taking the Asian low from yesterday? For me? Yep, I am. Yes, I am. Okay, I am. Right. Yep. So because why am I looking at that is because there's a lot of the selling is very well filled. Okay, so I still see selling is still coming. Okay. Right, and let's hang on for a little while. As we can see, we are still around this area here. Okay, we may be struggling in this area. Okay, so hopefully to see other. Let me check. It looks like this 707 can be quite tough over here. Huh? Yeah. We still have some to take down there. Okay. From 126,595 to 126,557. Yeah. But of course, when you look at this, right, everybody can identify. But then the thing is that, along the way, it will meet up with some, hiccups, some blockage, correct, some support. Okay, as like we are driving, you will meet up with some traffic light, traffic jams, am I right? Okay, so these are the examples here. So we have one area here. Now we have one area here, second one here, third one here, okay, to achieve 126,557. Yes, right, okay, so, yep. Okay, and by looking into this one, let me check. Yes. Maybe I don't know. Maybe the maybe the spring budget may give some impact. Okay. Yeah. All right. May give some impact on the pound today. Maybe today. I don't know. Yesterday was like yesterday it should have some impact on yesterday, but I think yesterday because dollar is wobbling and not really doing very well, correct? Okay, I'm not sure because as you can see, okay, is supposed to be it's supposed to be. I don't know. I don't want to give any comment on the dollar. Okay. I'm in the public now. Okay, all right. Yep. Okay. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So this is the area right now where we are looking into. Okay. First of all, as we look into the fundamental, okay, fundamental on the how as we can see, the spring budget doesn't looks very on the. It's not on the bright side, I would say. Okay. But then again, is that they still managed to yesterday the move still managed to push higher. All right, so maybe there may be some recovery, maybe some some plans, some plan B, some backup plans behind the scene to back up currency. Okay, that's why it may have this move. All right, or it may even be the final struggling before the impact comes in. You never know. Anyway, these are the fundamentals, basing on the fundamentals only. Okay, so let's see. If we are talking about H4, all right, but the thing is that generally, if you look at this H4, we can see that okay, these are the areas. Okay, we are struggling around this area. So it broke before. Okay, once, twice, tested, and stay above. Correct. Tested, and stay above. So at the moment, we can see liquidity up there to be taken. So it should be looking out for a long, correct? The buy should be more promising, right? But instead of going up right now, basing on the fundamental, they may be just let it go first, okay, to take some over at this point here to go for a lower price to buy in, then to make extra. All right, so all this move may have some reasons, okay, I would say. Yeah, then but I'm not very good at explaining. No, I'm not very good at talking about fundamental in the public. Okay. Oops. Okay. Anyway, this is all personal view. All right. So when we talk about fundamental, okay, like Christopher, you were saying, right? Okay. So if you're talking about fundamental, there are a lot of things to take note, like what are the thoughts, plans, okay, because what we know as a retail trader, the news that we read is already not new anymore. Okay, then what are the thoughts that actually coming up with these plans? What are the plans behind the release, or maybe what's the conspiracy? Okay, so there's a lot of things involved. So I do not know. Okay, but all I can say is to base on the movement. okay, based on the move, to tell us, all right, in general, okay, in general, where are the institutional, okay, and the retail are moving, so we can synchronize the directions and to go with them, right? Okay, so of course my final still looking into 12500, 123 760, 122 736. This, but all these are very very far away, so we after we can break through, okay, we can break through the area, then we go for all these targets zone by zone. Okay, let's do it zone by zone. All right, so yep. Okay, all right, so okay, so probably you want to tune into the Guardian channel. I think something is going on now. Okay, now. All right. Anyway, okay, let's see. Okay, so let's see if these are with this again. Okay, seems like we are trying to take this. Okay, yep. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Almost there. Almost there. Right. Almost there. We are still there. Right on the dot. Okay. Good. Let's go, man. Ha ha ha. Yes. Okay. Yes. Haha. Why not? Fundamentals. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's see. Let's wait for the closing. Seems like they have trying to grab. They are trying to grab 707. Okay, 126 707. Right. I hope it's not a grabbing. Okay. I hope it's not a grabbing. Okay. Right. I hope you're just it's not a grabbing. It's supposed to go for a field. You know. Yes. Yes. Right. Okay. And yeah. I'm not good with fundamental over here. in private. Okay, so yep. Okay, so let's see. All right. Okay, and we shall take a look. Okay, like I say, in these 30 minutes, since this M30 has closed, this M30, the previous M30 candle has closed this way, we will still be struggling within this area. Okay. All right. So let's see if this area is going to be taken out. Okay. Yeah. We like conspiracy. Yeah. Me too. Okay. Yep. All right. So let's take a look. In fact, we had a viewer previously, okay, who is constantly here with us, but I think he is very good. He is very good with the fundamental. He's when you are reading fundamental doesn't mean when you read the news and you read all whatever article, okay, right? So all this, yep, you get what I mean? Yeah, all this. So he's very good at reading all this, and he knows he by reading out all the article, all the news, right? It's already not new anymore, but he can so-called how should I say? Should I use the word decipher? Should I use the word decipher? He can, okay, anyway, he can read the news, okay. When he read the news, not by just reading the news, whether English or Mandarin, he don't, I wouldn't say predict, but he really can read what is going on what is going on with the mind with all those leaders out there, you know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And when I communicate with him privately, I was like amazed with his reading, you know. I was like, wow. Yeah, he's really he's really a rare gem I met all these years. Yeah. Okay. After news? No, no, no. I mean, you know, I mean the news is not talking about the news release. Okay, I'm talking about like some indexes. Okay, you read the newspaper every day. What's happening in the world? You know, all the politics, all the political news, all the financial news, everything. You know, just like Warren Buffett, George Soros, they keep reading news, they keep reading reports in their office. They have all these things pile up, and then they're able to read what is the hidden agenda in the news. We just read, right? Correct. A lot of people just read for the sake of reading. By trading in the financial market, I need to read news. Okay, I read. But this guy, he is able to read and really understand it and find out the hidden agenda in the article, in whatever article he read or reports that he read. Really, it's really fantastic. You get what I mean? Yeah. Right. So this is amazing, really amazing. Yeah. And I won't say he predict, okay, but he most of the time he able to tell where the non-farm is going, okay, CPI is going, right? So far I would say the accuracy is almost up to 90%. Very, very nice reading. Okay. Yeah. And he is only a forex trader, currency trader like me. Okay. He focused very much on currency trading only. Yeah. Okay. So very fantastic guys. Okay. There's a lot of fantastic trader out there. Anyway. Yeah. In search in search in search of the talent. Yeah. All right. Okay. So, well, guys, why are we chatting all this is because I'm still waiting for M30. I'm still waiting for M30 to get out of this zone, to get out of this area. You see, yeah. So from just now, it hits. I've been waiting until now. Okay. If this not getting out of this zone, no way I will trade. It's going to be very, very tough. Okay, it's going to be very, very tough. Especially I'm a seller. Okay. Right. Okay, if this is going to get out of this area to break below, close below M30, not M5, M30. Must close below. Okay, it must close below. Then must close below out of this box. Then okay, right. Yeah, then I will say, okay, I will take action. You get what I mean? Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay, so sorry guys, let me reply a message, okay? 哎，对不起，我现在在做一些直播，我能不能等一下回复你？谢谢。Okay, right. Okay, so yeah, I'm waiting for this. Come back here. Okay, I'll come back here. All right, so waiting for this to get out of this box here. Okay, after getting out of this box, all right, then it will be good. Okay, it will be good. All right, so maybe H1 also. Yeah, H1. All right, so H1, as we can see, is very clear, right? Why? Correct. Okay, we have been talking about this. Okay, so let's see. Since we have about 4 minutes, let's take a little bit of sharing here. All right. Okay. So, yep. Okay. Shall we share or shall we go key bell? All right. Okay. Okay. So over here. Right, so over here, what is it, Barclay? No, it's not Barclay. Okay, so let's take a look, a little bit of sharing. Okay, since so many of you are here today, so let's do some sharing so that everybody can get some knowledge here. So like, why am I talking about why this box here? Okay, it's very simple. Can we take a look? Right, previous hour we have a, what is this, doji, right? Okay, so usually when you see a doji, okay, doji impact will maybe from the top of the wicks to the low of the wicks. Okay, we may start to experience some sideways. Okay, some ranging is coming in, so it may go in the ranging state. So this is the area. Okay, this will be the area that I will be taking a look. Okay, where is, should I take a trade in there? If this is going to stay there, it's going to be very tedious for a trader when you have a trade in there. Okay, in this area, it's not going to be easy. So I will wait for the breakout or the breakdown. Then then after that wait for the new selling signal to sell off again. Right? If not, it's going to hover around this area for quite a long time. It may be only here. Okay, it may be this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Then this is going to trigger a lot of emotions. So I will skip this area first. Okay, so this is why I am waiting. Okay, this is why I'm waiting. Okay, so there are signals to tell us what to wait, where to wait. Right, then yep. So by looking into this area here, okay, so it's obvious, right? Okay, we just same thing. We are still in that area. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, hang on first. If this is going to close in there this way, I think it's going to be very tough. Okay, so yep. So this is the impact here, right? So so for the whole impact, okay. So, right, okay. So this will be the whole impact here. You can see it started ranging, going sideways in this area, correct? Right. Okay, so this is one. Okay, yes. What about the goal? Oops. You missed the goal. Okay, so all right. Okay. Yeah. So that's what I'm waiting for. Yeah, correct, Christopher. Okay, back here. So it should be around this area here. Okay. Yes. Bradley. Yeah. What happened? I went offline just now. Oh, okay. No, we are just talking about this area. Yeah, because of the dodgy here. Okay, so there's a dodgy here. Yeah, all right. Oops, H1 has opened. Unfortunately, we are still in the area here. Correct? Yeah. So we are still in the area. So we still have to wait. We still have to wait and see whether is it going to get out of this area where it is going this way or this way. All right. Yeah, so still have a long way to go because I'm looking for taking out this area because it's nearer to the selling side. But for the buying side, we still have a long way to go. Okay, but looking into the M30, okay, well, you can see, okay, over at this point here. So this area here, it may not be easy to break out. Okay, so more on the still on the selling side. So I'm waiting for it to break down 707, right? Since 707 has been taken, looks like it's only a grabbing to 126,704, which not so good. Okay, yeah. Then more on still waiting. Okay, so I won't take any action right now. This is the area that I will not take action. Yeah. Right. So looks like if this is not going to break out or break down, okay, we have plenty to wait, huh? Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so still waiting, still waiting. Then let's go keep it. We can start to sell for the gold. Wow. Wow. Okay, looks good. 2014 for 2014 for TP. Are you sure? 2114 or 2014? I think it's 2114, right? 2114 or 2014? If H4 going to flip, huh? If H4 going to flip. If H4 going to flip, yeah, but 2014, 2014, 2014, or 2114. My question is, you type in 2014 or 2114. Okay, right. Okay. Let's see. 21, 7, yeah. A little bit more to go. Yes, I think Karo means 2114. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Right. Okay. So let's take a look over at this point here. Okay, 2114. Yep. Okay. High chance because with this move here we have plenty. Okay, to be filled. One. Let me see. One. Done. 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 Okay. If 211787, then we will have about 30 to 40, 38 pips. Okay. Yep. All right. Correct. Correct. That's right. Okay. Good. Yep. Okay. All right. Okay. So yep. For the goal wise, okay. I guess 2117. Okay. 2117 and 2117. Hey, sorry, I missed out. Let me check again. 2117 587. Yep. Yep. 2114. 2114. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. Pound dollar is going to break out, or pound dollar is going to break out. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Looks like yep. Right. And area like this, now we can see is now, okay, looks like very soon. Okay, looks like it's getting in very soon. Okay, so my selling will be looking at 126.87.2 if this able to hold as a resistance. This area here to hold as a resistance. Alright, then we may be coming back down here 707 again. Alright. Okay, so should be there's a space here of about 16 pips. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look. This area here, right? Currently still waiting. Okay. It was a final liquidity grab at 2022. Okay, let's take a look. 2022. Okay. Let me check. 2022. All right, 2022. Okay. Right. Right. So will you consider 2118? Will you consider 2118 this area here? This 2118 here. Around there, huh? Around there. 2118. Let me see. A little bit. Yeah. 2119. 2119.4. 2119.4. Okay. This 2119.4 looks like can also be quite tough over at this area here. Yeah. I'm actually looking into this. Let me see. Yeah. About 2118. Yeah. In M15. The M15. Yep. 2118.92. 2118.92. If this is going to break through, I see there may be a good chance for selling down to 2114, 2116, 2114. Yeah, 2116 to 2114 there. Yep. Okay. Pound dollar, yes, Sabrina. In M5, it broke through. Do you consider this as a breakout for the area that you mentioned? Let's see. Okay. Right. Looks like one. Okay. Over here. Okay. Come back here. Oops. Okay, yep, it is. Yes, so should be looking out into 126.87 to see if this able to hold it back here. All right, and now it has not really break through yet. But okay, let's see. Let's see. Hang on first. Okay, hang on first. Hmm. Yep, I know. Okay. All right. So if selling off, then we have to take note. Okay. If I'm looking at this H4, because now we are moving into the last final hour of this 4-hour session. All right, this 4-hour session, okay, it depends how this going to close, and waiting for the opening. Okay, waiting for the opening. Then by looking into the structure here, okay, we can see that for H4, okay, in terms of H4, it seems like they are actually pulling back, right, to set up to look out for support, to set up for a higher low. All right, so we are actually currently we are looks like we are still trading on the uh pullback. Okay, looks like. Okay, so I mean along the way we'll see, we'll need to read out to see if, how this is going to close. Then in later on, okay, to see if this the hour that is actually having a pullback to fill up whatever should be filled up. All right. Okay, so over here 126.87 is where I see hopefully it still remains below. Okay, then we will see there will be a good chance that it should be still coming back for the selling. All right. Yep. Okay. Now it's going to, I think likely it's going to test on the opening of the day. All right. So likely, okay. So let's see if this is going to take out this area here. Right. Okay. With the box theory just now you drawn out, it looks like it's a reversal identification. Do you call that? Not really, not really. Okay, not really. Okay, because looking into the whole general, I don't call it a reversal yet. Okay, it's still not there as a reversal. Okay, so not, no, I won't say that. I won't say it is a reversal yet. Okay, yeah. Okay, hang on. Okay, right. Okay, so as of now, okay, as of now, it may be only going back to, it may be going back onto retesting on the, on to fill up the area only, right? Okay, so this is something. Okay, yeah, right. Yes, go SL 25 pips, go SL 25 pips. Oh, over here. Okay, right. It's okay. Give you a big hug, man. Come on. Okay, we'll come in later on. Okay, you will recover. Okay, you will recover. Okay. Okay, hang on first. Let's see. What's next here? All right. Uh, for the pound dollar, all right. Still going towards. Okay, let's see if this area going to hold. All right. Then if this area is going to hold, then we have good space now for some selling. Okay, I see some good opportunity here. Okay, I see some good opportunity here. Right. Okay, so let's see. Okay. right? So let's see. Okay, right. Okay, right, and over at this side here, we are. If I'm going to look at this generally, okay, is okay. If you're asking me if this can be the higher low over here, right? Of course, by looking into this area here, okay. Okay, we can look at this whole area here. All right, it looks like it's actually creating something here. Correct? It's going to test back. Seems like test back this area first to see if this area is able to hold. If this can hold, likely to bring the price down back here again to 126,652 is possible as well. All right. Okay, if not, then if the next H4 is going to open to become a support, you see, it flip over, okay, then possible to go back again. All right. So it depends on how this close. That's why just now, even at that area, okay, even with the H4 is a red candle selling off, then we need to go down to a lower time frame to look at the details. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's the whole story, huh? Okay. Yep. So let's see. Okay. Hang on first. Okay. Let me take this away so that's not so confusing. Same here. Okay. All right. So let's wait for it a while. Sellers. Okay. For buyers wise, if you are buyers wise, if you are going to catch for the first move, I think this is not the right time yet. Also. Okay. Yeah. So hang on first. All right. So if for the buyers, unless it actually comes back into this area, pull back into this area. Okay, 126.77.4, right? I think it's 774. Okay. Sorry, 126.762. Okay, to set up a support. Yes, 126.762 will be a good place. Will be a good area that is going to be for buyers. If it's set up for the support, okay, then sellers have to forget about selling, right? Unless it close right below, then it's back to the seller's side. Okay, it's back to the seller's side. Yeah, right. So for now, no, hang on first. Okay, don't rush into it. Okay, don't rush into it. H4 is going to open soon, so hang on. Okay, hang on first. Right. Okay, shall we go key bell for a while? Okay, let's go to the key bell for a little while. Okay, and I'll be right back. Okay, thank you guys. Okay. Hello guys, I'm back here. Thank you so much for your patience. All right. Okay. So, yep. The pound dollar is now, yep, escalating up, trying to test 126.87 too. Okay. Let's see if this is going to hold. Okay. Yep. Okay. Right. We need to have a lot of patience these 2 days. No obvious move, right? Yep. Buyers move or buyers move now with this area here. If going to counter attack, it should be a good entry for the point when it started off at 126.725. 725 around here. Around here. Well, I mean, you see, when the chart move up, then we're able to see it's nice, right? At the point, we are here. So we need to work out the probability. Yeah, so it's better to be sure, you know? Okay. Because first thing first is because I see that even prices here doesn't seems like taking anything there yet. Okay. Even if it comes to this point, doesn't show that it's taking anything also. Then you know, so I don't see where it is actually trying is there isn't anything that is filled yet in a way, in a way. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Right. So one point here. Okay. We are coming near to 126.87 too. So I still see if this is able to hold it nicely, I would say yes, we should be looking to take a lower price down there. Like say 126.652. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So in terms of this way, we can see, all right. This area here looks like there's a break of structure over there already. Am I right? Uh-huh. Okay. So probably doesn't seems like anything yet. Let me check again. Okay. Uh, five, five here. Well, this area a break of structure, and lower low here. So they are now trying to get the higher high there over at this point here. The lower highs, is it going to create? Are they going to test into these lower highs here? If this lowest high is going to take down a break of structure there, then it's not going to be good. Okay, that means they are actually moving back again. Yep. Right. So let's see this area, correct? Okay, let's see, let's see. Now we're coming to a crucial point now. We're coming to a crucial point. Has it reached? Okay. Okay, crucial point doesn't mean you put in the sell, huh? Okay. make sure everything intact first. Okay. Yep. Hold on, hold on. Okay. Right. Looks like there are some impacts there. Okay. Well, so when it started to sell off, okay, please take note of this area, huh? Please take note of this area to 126,772 area. Yeah. Okay, 77, 126,762 area. 762 area. These are the may be coming in to become 762. Okay, around this area here. All right. This may be the area that it maybe comes in. It may sell off. Okay, we have about 10 pips, but in this area may be setting up a higher low to push further up. Okay, so please be careful with that. Okay, right. Okay, yep. Okay, yes, Alan. Wait for a chance for cover back. Still got chance before New York. Yep. Okay. Oops. Taken out 126.87 too. Let's see how it closed. All right. M30 is coming. M30 is coming. Looks like it's going to show up some results here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Here it comes. Okay. Some results coming in. All right. All right. Okay. Be careful with this point here. Okay. Be careful with this point here. Okay. So, yep. Right. Okay, this point to 70, 60, 76.2. Okay, 126.762. Yeah. Yes, Bradley. Wow. Holy, how do you know? How do I know? I think we have plotted this area 126.87 too. If this is going to close below, right? If this is going to close below, yeah. So that's where I see. Right. Okay, but nevertheless, it has not closed yet. So still not confirmed. Okay. No, 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 no. You did not miss any chance of selling, Sabrina. Okay. You have not. No, wait. Unless H4 flip over to selling, okay, then there will be a good chance there. For gold wise, yes. For the gold wise, hang on first because just now I was looking at 21.81 basing on M15. Yeah. So maybe still up there. They may. I only if personally if I want to sell off with 21.18.9 this area here. Okay. But H on the pound dollar, okay. So this is the area that we need to take note to 126.762. Okay. We have this range here. Okay, we need to take note. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, about there. 762. Okay. Yep. Okay. So hang on first. Hang on first. Yes. Right. Nothing. Nothing. Cannot buy. I cannot buy. I cannot sell. Nothing. Okay. Hang on first. Hang on first. Yeah. There isn't any clear one to go. Alright. Hang on first. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if that will. Okay, we'll take a look. Take a look at that. Yep. Right. Let's hang on first. Let's see. Let's see. Wait. Hold on first. Hold on first. Hold on first. Yep. It seems like this week the movement are all about the NFP. Can I say so? Maybe. Okay, maybe. But of course, the whole market cannot be just waiting for NFP, right? Okay, so we will still need to assess along the way. Okay. Yeah. Right. So just hang on first. Just hang on first. Correct. Okay. Yep. I know, guys, we are getting a bit boring, right? Yeah, but no choice. These are all experience. All these are what we are encountering now. Are all the experiences, okay, that we are going to gain from the market. Okay, still got Powell talk. Yeah. Okay. Maybe is it today? Yeah. Later on in the afternoon. Correct. Is there a Powell talk? Okay. Today is Tuesday, right? Oh, tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow. Yes. Okay, so there's plenty of tomorrow. Yeah, correct. So it's quite challenging this week. Yeah, huh? Selling is coming. Yes. Okay. Selling is coming. Let's test back. Let us test back 126.87 too. Okay. If not, then we'll try to take this and okay. Right. Okay, Sabrina, yeah. Okay. Okay, you're right. Okay, so if you are talking about selling off now, oh my god, looks like I would say not now. Okay, not now, but maybe around maybe around 126.86.5, maybe 126.86.5. A bit. I mean this 1 or 2 pips, correct. But there's a chance of getting this out to this area 126.784 for this move. For this move. Okay, for this move, it should be coming to take 126.784 first. Okay. Yeah. Why are you not considering the week? This week? This week. Let me see. Okay. Reasonable, but I will say 78.4 to 77.2 is possible for this move. Okay. Do you call the Harami in M15? Harami in M15. Yep. Okay. But then let's wait for the next M15 to open. Okay. Yep. You have to take a look at the M15. Okay. Later on, M15. Right. M15. Later on. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I have a few. Okay, yes. Yeah, a few of them. But yeah, Sabrina, what? Haha, how we fishing? Okay, be patient. Okay, let's see who can fish, who can have the patience to fish better. Right. Okay. Let's wait. Let's wait. For the gold wise, let's take a look. The gold wise. Oh, I think the gold wise also the same. We have about 21. 21, 24, 6. 21, 24, 6. 21, 24, 6. Yeah. I caught shit. It's okay. Right, use the shit to fertilize something else. Okay. Well, come on. You can do it. Alright. Come on. Fist bump. Okay. Yeah. Right. So let's see if this is going to close below 21.24.6. Then see if there's a possibility. I'm not very confident with 21.24.6 now. And let's see in the let's take a look at the next candle opening. Okay, or maybe we should wait for the H4. Right, H4. Okay, pound dollar. Right, pound dollar. No, pound dollar. At least the very least should be 126.86.5. 126.86.5. Okay, it should hold right below there. It should hold right below 126.86.5. It should hold right below there. Ah, full of shit now. Okay. With this closing. What? Oh my, man. Oh my, oh my. Let's see. 126. Well, gold move 500 pips last Friday, 400 pips yesterday, maybe 300 pips today. Okay. And well, for the pound dollar, okay, 126.86.5 taken. Okay, let's see. Right, this is crazy move. Okay, something is happening now. Yeah, Christopher. Yes. Okay, so taking a look at this area here. Let's wait for the. Let me see. M15 is still there. Okay. Let's wait. Let's wait. M15. I'm still waiting for M15. Okay. Right. So this has to close right below 126.86.5. Okay, 126.86.5. Okay. Okay. If you are going for selling, if you are going for selling, then we should, if this able to go for a selling, right? Take note about it. 126.76.2, 126.76.2. Okay, 126.76.2 to, yeah, okay. Yes, correct. Yeah, it's the end of the financial year. They have to come close to 21.48. Okay. Yep. Yes. Right. So this March is very exciting, right? Yeah. Thank you for reminding me to file my income tax as well. Okay. Gold looks nice to shorts selling. Okay, let's take a look. Um Almost there, almost there. Okay, almost there. Okay, we have another 2 minutes to go. Right, another 2 minutes to go. Right. Do you need the M5 to cover on the pound dollar, huh? The M5 to recover the lower wicks of the previous candle. For this move just now, when the M30 opens, okay, they need to fill this up first. Okay, they need to fill this part up. They need to fill this. Okay, when they fill this, all right, now, okay, looks like it's filled. Okay, so again, okay, from this whole area here, right, if this able to form a resistance down, then we will be able to see they are trying to fill this area also, and to fill this area also. Okay, so if you still ask me for selling, yep, but this is the area that I will consider for a selling. But then with the move just now, it restricted some it has restricted space to go for a good selling. Okay, that's what I meant, huh? Right. Go up to 21.48, then Friday down back to South Pole. Yes, overbought on every time frame. Okay. Right. So let's see. We have another 10 seconds to go. Okay, another 10 seconds to go. I don't expect to have there may be some move within this area only. Okay. Yeah. Right. Some move within this area. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Okay. This is only the beginning of the building the selling structure. It's still at the beginning of building. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Right. Yeah. Overbought on every time frame. Okay. One more area here. 21.23 to 21.18. 40 pips down there. 14 pips down there. 21.23 to 21.18. 40 pips down there. Wow, looks delicious. It looks so juicy. Uh-huh. Okay. Pound dollar start selling. Okay. Pound dollar start selling. Let's take a look. I would say it's, like I said, it's a move. Okay, it's a move here. Then there will be a move here, but you need to take note about all this area here. One here, another one here. Okay, over here. All right. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yes. Maybe with new H4. Keep going up to run, then back down to the South Pole. Okay. I guess it should be now looking in. Let's reset my mind first. Okay, let me reset my mind. Okay, I'm going to take this area. Okay, let me reset my mind to contribute some here. Right. Whatever I'm doing is just to is a thinking a lot process. Okay, don't bother about what I'm doing. Okay, okay. So we have this area here. Okay, and pointing out of this area, taking out this highs here, and 2118 to 2116. 2118 is one to take note, and 2122. This is one point that is the point that probably the good area may be here. The good area should be here. I see. I mean, looking into this area before it comes into hits into this area, this tough area here, right? There's a very tough area into slightly around, I mean personally I see, okay, about 2116. Okay, so we have this area here. Take this area here before it comes into this area. Okay, right? Yeah. What do you think? Share your view. Okay. Can share your view for what I see here over at this point, because basing on 15, M15, actually looking into M15 and M30. Okay, basing on M30. Okay, basing on M30. All right. Actually, there's I see this whole area here. Okay, this whole area should be a good area to sell. However, along the way, there may have some areas that is a turbulence area from the previous high. Then looking into this area here, right? In M15, by looking into the area for this move, okay, I'm looking into this whole area here. Yeah, so there's a good chance that it may sell off to take this, right? But along the way, there may be some area here to take note over at this point at 2118. Okay, yeah. So from 2122 area, 2122 area down to 2118, about 30 pips. So this will be the area that is one that should be good to take some profits there. Should be good to take some profits there. Okay, I mean, this is how I see for this area here. Okay, so by looking into this area here, right, after it taken this to take out, then I see they will still continue to take this area. Whether they will continue to go on for the selling to take down all this area, right, this whole area here, then along the way, this you can see if I'm going to make a very big one. Okay, these are the areas that is, it's like I always say, this is a trash area, correct? This is like a trash area here. All right, so in this area, okay, in this area, so I'll be waiting to sell off here. In general view, if I'm going to sell off this will be, I will be waiting for this whole area to clear. Then this is the good selling area here. But looking into the small details area here, okay, then are we looking out? Maybe looking out into the area around this here. Okay, so these are the areas that probably we can take reference. Okay, yeah. Okay, so over here. So yep, that's my 2 cents count. Okay, so let's see if that helps. Okay, let's see if that helps. Right. Okay. Yeah. And okay, so 2122, one area. Once brooks into the area here, should be nice to go for 2118. Okay, then after 2118 should be good to go for around 2116. Okay, right. Of course, if it continue to breaks off, this should be the very good area to take. All right. Okay, there's a lot of profits. There's a lot of selling. I think should be good here into this area here. Right. Yep. Okay, so over at this point here, okay, then it should be nice to, but the thing is that there's only one worries for me is that 21.45. Okay, 21.45. Okay, 21.45 is one. Okay, one worries for me. Okay, yeah. Other than that, I think it should be okay. If it takes 21.16, I will be pissed. No worries. Your next trade will give you peace. P-E-A-C-E. Okay. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Right. So I guess let's see. Okay. Seems like 21.22 is still holding there, not into this area yet. Okay. So make sure you go into this area. Okay. I mean personally I see it that way. Alright. Okay. Hi Tohid. Okay. Who is ready for bull run? For which one? For which one? Cryptocurrency? Seems like you are an expert here. Very, very good. We have one more expert. Okay. Yes, pound dollar. Yes, let's take a look. Okay, pound dollar. Wow. Looks like we are still holding on to 126.81.5 here. Okay, and there will be another move from 126.83 to let me see. Let me see. Okay. 126.83 to 126.83 to if this is going to close below one, no, not really 126.80. Yeah. Okay, if this is going to close below 126.83 okay, then should be looking for some selling. There is still some selling down there. Okay. Yep. There should be still some selling down there. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay. So I think not, what should I say? Hang on first. Yeah. I think next H4 will build bottom week before going up further in your session. Okay. For the goal, right? Okay. Okay. I still see probably. Yeah. Okay. Then hang on for a little while then. Then maybe testing into the area here only. Okay. Then around 21, 24, 29. Probably they will be coming back to test on 21, 22 again. And to test back 21, 22 again. Right. Possible. Okay. Right. And for pound dollar, okay, we have 3 minutes. 3 minutes to go. Okay. 3 minutes to H4 opening. Right. let's see, this H4. Oh, this H4. If this H4 is going to close this way, doesn't look very promising to sell anymore. Okay. Doesn't look good to sell anymore. Okay. It looks like they are going to continue to take this whole area. Yeah. The very least they are going to test into 127.011. Okay. 127.014 probably. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it looks like okay, let's wait for it to close. Don't give too much comment about that. Okay. Yeah. I don't want to give too many comments about this. Yeah. And I think it's a bit too much. Right now seems like the next M15 is still pushing through. The closing don't close this way, doesn't look very nice. Okay. Yeah. Right. No. No. Okay. Probably over. Like you say earlier on, when your first when it's all filled up, and selling should be very promising as I see, because there isn't any reason for them to continue the buying as of now. There are plenty to take down there instead. Yes, that's one thing that I see. Like now, okay, like now, all right, I will see there will be some selling offers. There will still be some selling offers. Oh, H4 open. Okay, let's take a look. Right, this H4 open. Okay, I think well, okay, doesn't looks very promising, but there may be some selling, but this selling, unless it's still breaking through whatever we planned, if not, it is still within this area here. Okay, yeah, this is still not very good yet. Okay, still maybe looking out to 126.76 too, right? Okay, so not that fantastic yet. Okay, not that fantastic yet. Okay, so maybe we have to wait for. Let's see if this H4 able to erase the gain for the last H4 down here. Wow, that's so low, man. That's so low. 14 pips, 15 pips away. Okay. Then it seems no. Okay. There may be some selling off now to take 126.76 too. Unless same thing is going to clear this area, then we will see more selling will be coming in. Yeah. Not now. Okay. As you can see, for the past 2 hours of live streaming, we are struggling in this area. Correct? We are struggling in this area. There isn't any good chance or good structure for us to go on the selling. Neither buying. Neither. Okay. Okay, so yeah. It has like the break of structure over at this point to go. This is the break of structure, right? Okay. So right now you can see the lower low is here, right? The lower low is here. So the structure of selling is actually still there because we are still remaining at the lower highs. correct? We are still maintaining below the lower highs. Am I right? Okay. Yep. So generally, okay, if we are if you are using this method to read the movement, we are still selling. Okay. However, this may be the time that they are pulling back. Okay. They are pulling back, and will it, after the pullback, will it set up the support and change the trend, or will it actually still maintaining below to continue the selling, to take off all these, okay, to take out all these and then to start selling down? You get what I mean? Okay, to take all this area out, all right, to fill up all these areas to gain up the buy, then they will start to shoot again, right? So it's possible. It's possible. Yeah, it's possible. Okay. Uh, I will say that it's quite possible. It's quite possible, right? So with all these areas here, all the prices here, we need to take note. We have this zone, okay, to sell down all the way to 126.41.6, 126.41.6, which we have about 30 pips to go. Excuse me. 34 pips to go. But then again, along the way, we have all these areas that may hinder the move. Okay, so we got to be very careful. We got to be very careful. Okay, yeah. So all this, please take note. Please take note. Please don't just blindly sell blindly and then just take this. Okay, which not very good, huh? Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so for the goal wise, H4 uh, now. Okay, so for this area here, same thing. I'm still looking into 121.22, right? So if this is going to take down 121.22, 21.18 will be, to what I see, is quite potential. All right, to take this out to 21.14, 21.14.16. Okay, yeah. So probably later on, yeah. Okay, the bull ran to a stage where it started to steam off, as you can see. Where, where you're talking about the gold, or you're talking about the pound dollar? I don't know, pound dollar or the gold? Talking about the gold. Oh, okay. The gold. Um. Well, it's only in the London session. But may have, maybe, okay, right. Um. I will see. Maybe there's some changes as well again. So let's see if the changes actually. I think next hour will be better to gauge. Yeah, I think next hour will be better to gauge. Okay, not now, I think. Mm, if this is going to hold, let's say using support resistance into this area here. Okay, a very small one that you're going to take down. 21.22 to 21.21. Then, yeah, okay. Should be coming soon. The selling should be coming soon. The selling should be coming soon. Yeah. Okay. But again, looking in 2021, 21, 22, 21, 22. Still 21, 22 over here. 30 pips there. About 30 pips there. Okay, yep. And for pound dollar, today we are still, today it's just like yesterday. I think the impact yesterday it really brings some impacts over roll over to today. Okay, so I guess there may be some areas that we just need to be careful, okay, and take note, right? That let's say if this is selling off to take 126.76 too, okay, if this is able to break below to clear this area off, then we are going to 126.652 to 126.57, right? Then probably the next, probably it may still continue to sell down to 126.41.6. Okay, it's still quite possible. Okay, it's still quite possible. However, please take note, because right now by looking into the pound dollar, okay, is actually still holding around this area. Looks like we have we are waiting for some action coming in soon. You know, some action is coming in soon. So let's wait for it to break 126.81.5. Okay, if they can break 126.81.5, retest this area to form a resistance down again, okay, then we should have a good chance there. Okay, we should have a good chance to continue the selling. Take off this whole area to break this area to continue the downward trend. Okay, all right. Yep. Okay, so guys, so let's take a step back, be patient, okay, to make sure it's a clear selling structure that forms up in the pound dollar before we go for the selling. Okay, make sure, right? It's going, this opening doesn't look good. It's going to test this area again, right? So hang on first, okay. Okay, right, unless this can clear the candle here, okay. If not, it should still going up to test into 126.86.5. Okay, yeah, right. Correct. Okay, so I guess that should be all for today. Well, we have ups and downs. Okay, so take it easy, take a break, okay, and jump off for some fresh air. Then after that, we will come back and reset all the analysis, all the planning, okay, just like you are starting off in the morning. All right, then get the momentum back. You will be able to get everything back, okay, back on the momentum. All right, okay, so yep, Carol, good luck to you, okay, and I wish you all the best in the New York session. You will fight it back, okay, because we are the best, okay, we are the best, okay. All right, okay, guys, thank you so much, and well, okay, so let's come back tomorrow once again. All right, I shall wish you all good luck in your New Year session with bountiful profits. Okay, and I shall see you tomorrow. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again, guys. Thank you so much. See you.